So Vizu equipment is manufactured here in the heart of Berkshire, just 20 minutes from Heathrow Airport. Vizu equipment is designed for the QSR industry with a special focus on burgers, chicken and fry outlets. There are over 70 different items in the Vizu range, concentrating on preparation, like the Vizu breader, fry and cooking, like the Vizu clam grill, hot hold, like our new VIPC, our 700 pass-through or our FC8 food chute, and our range of 6 different fry dumps, all featuring heat from below, heat from above, and an ambient temperature cupboard, freezer base or countertop to ensure your fries reach the customer as you want them, hot, fresh and delicious. The Vizu Mega Fries and the Vizu Mini Fries both feature heat from above and heat from below, as well as an ambient temperature cupboard. We also offer the Vizu Mega Fries Topper. Again, heat from above, heat from below, but this time it sits on a convenient Adande freezer base, ensuring that your fries are close to hand when you need them. Additionally, we offer the Vizu Mini Fries Countertopper and the Vizu Server. The Vizu Mini Fries Countertopper sits on top of an under-counter fridge or freezer. The Vizu Server is a solution for a different kind of problem. If you can no longer sit the fry dump right next to the fryers, this can be sited on a rear service island, allowing fries to be passed through from the kitchen out to the front, out to the service staff. The range of Vizu pass-throughs are all designed with one thing in mind: to ensure your chicken reaches the customer at its best: hot, fresh, moist and delicious. We offer 3 different pass-throughs: the 1100, the 700 and the 400. The 1100 has 6 doors front and back, each door accessing 2 trays. The 700 has 4 doors front and back, each accessing 2 trays. And the 400 has 2 doors front and back, each accessing 3 trays. A tray of chicken is around about 18 pieces of chicken, so in less than a third the footprint, the 400 carries half as much chicken as the 1100. All the pass-throughs are fanless, ensuring ease of maintenance. The air is circulated by means of ducts. All the pass-throughs have a water tray. The water is heated just to create a high level of moisture within the cabinet, and it's automatically fed with water by a float mechanism to ensure that your staff don't have to top the unit up too frequently. Our range of food chutes has something for every business. From the largest in the range, the VI3 TFC, with 3 tiers featuring heat from above, to the smallest, the VI2 TFC, at 600 by 400, featuring heat from above on both the shelves. Our most popular unit is the VI017, our FC8 as we call it. This features heat from above on both shelves and heat from below on the bottom shelves. It has 8 adjustable lanes and you can add or remove dividers as required. QSR restaurants produce a lot of burgers, and fast food systems focus a lot of our attention on ensuring that we provide equipment to help them produce these burgers quickly and efficiently. Among these things we have the Vizu bun toaster. This takes around about 30 seconds to toast a bun. We also offer hot hold for protein items and condiment stations. So this is our Vizu sandwich makeup island, and it's designed to produce a nice workflow. You can have your buns stored here, toast the buns, put the protein on the buns and put the condiments on the buns. Thanks for watching the video. If you'd like more information, give me a call on 01189 441100. Alternatively, drop an email to sales@fast-food-systems.co.uk or take a look at our website www.fast-food-systems.co.uk. Hope to speak to you soon.